Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can create a multiple selection drop-down inside of Google Sheets. Okay, so let's say for example that I have an employee list like this one. I have John, Mary, Serge, Kyle, and John again. I'm just going to call him John B. And I want to create basically like a category drop-down. Okay, that is going to tell me, what category is this employee in. It can be A, it can be B, or it can be C. Okay, I don't want to create this with a drop-down menu. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to select the cells here, the cells that I want to choose a drop-down with or for, and I'm going to go to form to data actually, and then you want to go to data validation, which is actually here, data validation here. And now you want to add a rule, and you want to click on this criteria, which is a drop-down menu. Okay, now you want to make sure that your range is correctly selected, because in my case it's from B2 to B6. And now you want to start adding options. Okay, so let's say that the first option is going to be A, which is the category A. The second option is going to be B, and I'm going to add one more item that is going to be called C. And I want to give this, and I want to give each of these different colors. Okay, let's give this green, blue, and red. Okay, now after I click on done, what I can do is I can put these employees in this category list, okay, as I'm doing here. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much.